guys, we are in part 17 on our series how to create an epic Discord server for your YouTube channel, and this time we are going to be focusing on the welcome section category. Once again, I'm going to welcome, create a channel, and over here I'll write welcome everybody. Just create channel, and here I'll fix it, welcome everybody, and I'll go to a new bot this time. It's called the welcomer.gg bot for Discord. So I'll invite it and select a server, YouTube channel name server, and continue. Yes, I'll authorize it and fill in the captcha. So what will happen now, guys, is that this bot has been enabled, and if a new member comes, you will see a similar message like this. The welcomer bot will welcome everybody. I have got it installed in 2 separate servers already, and you will see messages like these. So a good addition, my friends, to this Discord server. So part 17 is complete, my friends. We will continue our journey to part 18 in the next video. Stay tuned, my friends.